Man, I love chili dogs. They're so tasty and never do anything wrong to me. Here. No. No! My record. My record is ruined. Oh, because I've had lovely chili dog. I mean, I can't get mad at them. It's just so Oh. I need to get rid of these. I need to get rid of the hiccups. How? Maybe I can use the internet. But I suck at getting on a computer. I can use my iPhone. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna figure out how to get rid of these hiccups because I hate hiccups. However, I love chillax. Method number 1, as I looked on my beautiful iPhone 8. It's quite old, but no, beautiful iPhone 8. Anyway, so method number 1 is to pull my tongue. This is gonna hurt a lot. But let's get straight into it. Go! That hurt. What hurt? But I'm gonna sit here and wait till if it works. See if it worked. Method number 2. This one seems efficient. Gulping 3 times while holding your breath. Actually, it might not work because I tried drinking water, but that didn't work. Oh wait, I didn't try drinking water. I drank chili sauce. Anyway, let's do this. Did it work? Oh yeah, it worked. It worked. My record. My stinking record. This time it only took me 10 hours. Last time it only took me 3. I suck. But hey, it's gone though. I'm gonna have some more chili dogs. Yeah.